am back in Maryland. We're rolling up to Ocean City. Check out the view. Walking up now on the boardwalk. About to check out the waves. This one coming in. Serious shore pound, but look at this one. Might go get on that. Waves should be a lot better in a few hours, but we're gonna give the Shorebreak a try, get some visions, and then hopefully later it gets a little bit better, we go back out. Got done messing around the Shorebreak. I think we're gonna go get some food. Craving an acai bowl, so we'll see what we find. Here at Pablo's Bowls, good acai bowl place in Ocean City. The ring cone, please. Yeah. Appreciate it. You too. Thank you. Do a little review. Got a nice bite here with the strawberry. Let's see how it is. Oh my god. This tastes so good after being in the water. Oh my god. So refreshing. It's honestly a must stop if you're in Ocean City. So we're gonna bounce on over to Assateague Island. It's just 20 minutes away. Usually it breaks a little further out on some sandbars there. Is known for having wild horses, and we just found some. Okay guys, it's time for a little afternoon session, Assateague Island. Alright everybody, I'm out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you in the next video. Like and subscribe.